How to fix waiting for a message on Android on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from The Solution Guy. In today's guide video, I will show you the way on how you can fix if WhatsApp says waiting for a message. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So if you want to go ahead and actually fix that whenever WhatsApp says waiting for a message, you have to understand why this happens in the first place. This happens, let's say, that whenever somebody tries to send you a message and before the message got delivered to your phone, let's say that your internet connection was turned off, and before the message got delivered to your phone, the internet connection just disappeared from the sender's mobile. So which means that the message could not be sent. So it has not simply reached your device yet. And sometimes what happens is that what fixes this is also that whenever you receive this kind of message, you simply have to wait whenever the sender is connected to the internet. So there is nothing really you can do on your side. This happens when the sender has lost access to internet connection and when you haven't received the message and delivered it to your device. Because in most of the cases, this is simply the issue. Let's say your phone was turned off when the sender sent you a message and it didn't get delivered to your phone. And later the sender just went out with someone else and then just turned off internet connection. So the message has been sent from the mobile of the sender, but it has not been delivered to your device because your phone was turned off, and now it is saying waiting for message because the sender does not have Wi-Fi, or they simply don't have WhatsApp, let's say, for some reason. And first of all, in order to fix this, you have to wait until the sender actually gains access to internet connection, and once you do that, the message will simply come back to your device. And hopefully this video answered your question. The next thing also when this happens is because when you're trying to log in from multiple devices, let's say you have WhatsApp phone and then you try to log in from your browser, then in that case also this issue could likely occur. But this is nothing really to worry about because this is simply an issue with the server and the message status. Hopefully this video answered your question as to how you can fix waiting for a message on WhatsApp. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.